Good morning, everyone. My name is Priya. I have completed my Bachelor of Engineering in Computer Science and Engineering. To improve my technical skill, I joined QTree Technology and completed the AWS DevOps course. The course included hands-on training which helped me gain practical experience with AWS and DevOps tools. Today I am going to present my project online bookstore. I developed this application using Python Django for backend, HTML CSS for frontend, and SQLite as the database. For the DevOps implementation, I used Docker to containerize the application, Terraform to professionalize the AWS EC2 infrastructure, and GitLab CI/CD to automate the build and deployment process. Finally, I deploy the application on a AWS EC2 instance and it is accessible through the public IP. Now let me show the project works. Thank you.